Hello viewers, hope you're doing super good. I am Suhasini, welcome back to my channel She Needs. I am back with an interesting and stylish mirror DIY this time. Let us see how my idea got executed. Initially we had a TV there, but as I wanted a mirror, we've removed the TV and started working out for that. We have placed the wooden frame to support the mirror and that is fixed tightly with the screws. This frame size is little smaller than my mirror size. So the frame size needs to be customized according to your mirror size. Once the frame is fixed, then we have to fix the plank on which the mirror will be sticked. This is also been supported and fixed tightly with the nails. As our frame is smaller than the plank which we've just placed, we can see the gap. In this gap, I have placed the lights. We have used this bond to fix the mirror tightly onto the frame. After the mirror is fixed, these nails are used to give support from front side to ensure that the mirror will not fall. Fixing mirror is done. Now for the borders, I have purchased small mirrors from Amazon and a lace from the local shop. These are the mirrors which I bought from Amazon. They have a sticker backside which you can peel it off and directly stick. They also have a protection sheet in the front side. You can see the difference there actually. Next, to fix the lace, I've used this adhesive so that the lace can be sticked The lace, we are sticking it now. Those who have not subscribed to my channel still, please subscribe to it now to get more updates. And here is my beautiful mirror. Don't you think this is super elegant and stylish? You also definitely try this and do let me know in the comment section how it has changed your look and feel of the house. Thanks for watching.